Good morning, students. In continuation of chapter 22, Unpacking Gender, today we will discuss about the different forms of inequality which exists in the most part of the world. Gender inequality. It has been prevalent in all societies for centuries and continues to exist even today. And this issue of women inequality is not limited to India alone, it is an international issue. And for this, a well laid out planning is required on international level for gender equality, because even the most developed countries have been unsuccessful in ensuring a rightful place for the women in society. For example, right to vote was given to women in England in 1928 and in France in 1944 after a long period of demand. So in this way, it is an international issue. Now we will discuss about the different forms of gender inequality. There are many kinds of gender inequality or gender disparity. Inequality in family, or you can say basic facility. This is the same thing. Natality inequality, professional or employment inequality, ownership inequality, household inequality, special opportunity inequality, and one more is mortality inequality. So let's discuss in detail what is mortality inequality. Women mortality rates are higher is compared to men all over the world. Means death rate of women is more than the men. Next is natality inequality. Natality means many male dominated society have preference for boys, and the technique of determining the gender of the fetus has encouraged this inhuman practice. And inequality in family or basic facility inequality. Girls are denied the right to education and many other facilities in many countries even today. Special opportunity inequality. In this, the opportunities of higher education and professional trainings are less for young women and more for young men. Professional inequality. In employment as well as promotion, women often face discrimination. Next is ownership inequality. In many societies, the basic assets, that is home and land, are owned by male member of the family. So the lack of claim to property reduces the voice of women. Next is household inequality. There are basic inequalities in gender that are reflected in sharing housework and childcare. So these are the different forms of gender inequalities. Today you have to learn and write any 5 forms of gender inequality in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.